You ever just in the woods with your horse, and then your horse goes and runs off and jumps off a cliff and then plummets, and then you're like, well, shoot, I ain't got a horse no more. I got horseshoes. And you're thinking, what am I going to do with a horseshoe without any horses? Well, you throw it away. Gonna have to find that. And then you cut it in half and you make a knife out of it. And that's what we're doing today. So, yeah, we're gonna have to heat it up and do all that stuff. We're gonna make a knife out of this. Let's get to it. Okay, hopefully you can hear me over the forge. But step one, you gotta get the metal hot. So let's do that. Stick that in there, just like that. And then we're gonna heat it up and then smack it on the anvil. So yeah, let's do that. Didn't quite realize how loud this forge was, so I hope you guys can hear me. But step one is completed. We straightened it. Now step two, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it right here, and then we're gonna make that into the blade. So yeah, let's get it hot again. So here we are. We got that kind of, now you see now it's kind of at a point. We're drawing down to a point, and then next up, step 3, I think, we're gonna flatten it out. We're gonna flatten this out and then make it into an actual plate. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, got the forge turned off. Now I don't have to scream as much. But here is where we are at. It's a little knife, a small horse, okay? Little horse, little knife. But yeah, there we go. Next step, step 4. I already forgot where we're at. Step 4, I think. We're gonna work it on the grinder. We're gonna put a little edge on this bad boy. So let's get to it. Alright kids, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but when you're working the grinder, always make sure you wear your safety equipment. Because if you breathe in the dust, it's bad for you. my public safety announcement for the day. So let's get to cooking. Alright, I haven't done this in a long time, but knife is done and we're going to try it. We're going to attempt a shotgun. Alrighty. There we go. I got the safety equipment off. I hate wearing that. It's very hot, uncomfortable. But yeah, we are free from the equipment and the knife is done. So yeah, so you know, you're ever in the woods, your horse jumps off a cliff, plummets to its death. And you got his horseshoes. You can make a little knife about it. I did shotgun a beer with it, so it is functional. You can use it. Problem is, I haven't done it in years, and now I got beer everywhere, so I'm gonna have to clean that up. But let me get you guys a closer look at it. Here it is. Look at this bad boy right here. Oh wait, hold on. There we go. Look at this bad boy right here. The grinding work isn't perfect. Oh, come on. There you go, focus. I'm not the best on a grinder, but I'm practicing. I'm getting better. But yeah, that's gonna be it. I hope I didn't forget anything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it wasn't too stupid. I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed. That's why I use hammers. I try to make sharp tools though. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, you know, drop a like and a nice little comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. So adios.